Hi guys, I'm Ranjay from Purila, West Bengal. Today, I will teach you how to draw a parrot. So here I'm going to draw a parrot. Okay, this is the skin. This is the tail of the parrot. Oh, this is the body. Now, so this is the body. Now let's put the mouth. It's like this. Just like this. Like this. Now we're gonna put it circle because this is the eye. This is the eye of the parrot. Now let's set the wings. Put those straight lines because for designing. So we'll put it here at the outside. And then now draw the branch. Number 2. Now draw the branch. Any height you want. Any height. So and the light was flickered. That's not good. Now third, draw the legs. The legs should look like this. And done! This is how the parrot looks like. Yeah, it is sitting on the stick, sitting on the branch of a tree. But I forgot the leaf. Forgot the tree. So this is how the parrot. So the spelling is P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. So this is the spelling of the name parrot. So this is parrot. So that's enough for today. If you understand the drawing of the parrot, then write it yourself in the book or at the board, just like me. So, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, comment below. If you don't like this video, you should not comment. Bye.